everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my lockdown favorites. At this point, I've been self-quarantining for the last 4 months. Yeah, and I've been loving a lot of products, not just like makeup. Actually, I don't even have any makeup for this video. It's more so like beauty products. I have some snacks, random miscellaneous stuff, and also some like safety, like protective products that might potentially help you. It's very relevant to today's time. By the way, I saw Aditi making a very similar video, That Quirky Miss. Just something about that video was so comforting. I really enjoyed watching that video, so I'm going to make sure to link it in the description box below. Do give it a watch if you haven't already. And now if you're interested in knowing what are my lockdown favorites, then keep on watching. I think let's get all the products out of the way. So I have a few products. Let's start with hair masks. So in this quarantine, I have been like really doing like the whole self-care thing for my hair specifically, not so much for my skin. I've been like really taking care of my hair, and I've been using a lot of hair masks, using and getting them over, like finishing them. I'm done with this one. The first favorite is the Mamaearth's Onion Hair Mask. I've always loved this hair mask, like ever since I started using this, I've been obsessed. But more so in this lockdown, I like finished the whole tub. This was a new tub. I've already finished one in the past. This was another one that I finished in the lockdown. It's so good. One of the best hair masks that I've tried. Mamaearth does really good hair masks. Another hair mask that I really like, there are two hair masks, yeah. It is by Ekte. It's their Kerolution hair mask. So this is also on its last leg. I'm gonna finish this very soon. But I just thought I would like mention hair masks because I feel like my hair has gotten a lot like softer and more shiny. Yeah, that's the thing with this hair mask. It made my hair like so like black and shiny. I don't know how to explain it, but like literally light was like reflecting off of my hair. So yeah, been loving like taking care of my skin, and these two products are fab. I'm not gonna repurchase the Mamaearth hair mask because I do have more hair masks to finish, and I'm on like a no buy currently. I'm trying to like use up all of my product. But in case you're looking for a hair mask, definitely check both of them out. The Gillette Venus razor, I think that's what it's called, right? I've always like waxed, but quarantine mein I've been shaving, and I mean I have always shaved on and off, but now of course I've been shaving like almost every 2 weeks. Like if I want to take some pictures, I'll shave, otherwise I won't. But this razor is so good. Before this I would just like use those disposable like razors from Gillette only that you would use like 2 to 3 times and throw them away. But this time I thought I would invest in like a proper razor wherein I can throw out the blades. Ouch, I cut myself. Great. Okay, I'm back. I'm fine. Talking about the razor again, it's a really good razor. Be careful with it. Don't hurt yourself like me. But no, jokes apart, it really is a very good razor. And it's a lot better for the environment to just throw out just the blade as compared to the whole razor. Of course, that's also not the best, but a better solution. But in general, very good razor. Helps you get a very deep shave, makes my skin super soft because I mean shaving does help with a little bit of exfoliation also. But one of the best razors that I've ever used. I have another razor favorite. This is an eyebrow razor. Now this is by a brand called Tinkle. So what happened was I had a pack of 3 that I got like back in the day, and they got super blunt. So Adya, my friend, she sent like a few spare razors that she had. Of course they're not used, like unused ones that she had extras. I've like fallen in love with these again. The reason why I wasn't like loving the ones that I already had was because they had gotten blunt. So I wasn't like able to like really shave my eyebrows. But oh my god, these are so good with like aloe vera gel on my brows. Shaving them off, like life changing. So I've always been very like self-sufficient. I cut my hair, I color my hair, I would like get my body waxed occasionally, but eyebrows तो मैं हमेशा पार्लर से ही कराती थी. So that is one thing that I thought I needed to get it done by a professional, but I think in this lockdown I've learned how to do it by myself, and this razor is the way to go with some aloe vera gel. Oh my god, love it. Kailash Jeevan, so random, I know, but for some reason, actually no, not for some reason, I'll tell you. Okay, so this is gonna be TMI. I've been getting a lot of period rashes, and this is what helps me every single month. The reason why I've been getting my period rashes is because I've run out of panty liners. Oh my god, panty liners are so important. If you end up wearing pads for too many days, it ends up giving you rashes, right? And I don't have panty liners. I need to order them, but I don't have enough things to order, so I've been just like waiting for some of my essentials to like get over, and then I'll order everything together. But anyways, this is what I've been using in the meanwhile. You can honestly use this for anything. The other day I got like a weird rash on my eye. I used this on that and it disappeared in a day. This literally heals everything. You know what, I'm gonna apply it on my cut because it's burning. I'm sure this is gonna help. But yeah, Kailash Jeevan is amazing. I feel like everyone should have at least एक Kailash Jeevan की डिब्बी घर पे. If you've been watching the last few videos, you might have heard me talking about the Kama Ayurveda's Rose Jasmine Body Oil. So every night before I go to bed, I like to take a bath and then I like to apply this all over my body, my hands, my legs, my stomach, my chest, everywhere literally. And yeah, it just makes my body super soft and supple. Not just that, of course it's an oil, it's gonna do that. But the smell of rose and jasmine I don't like in general, but it's very calming for some reason. It helps me go to sleep and it's just like a nice thing to do. Like I like the whole like pamper thing that I do at night. This is a little bit expensive, so if you don't want to invest like 1,000 rupees in this small little bottle, I would recommend another coconut oil which I do it with. I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. It's called the Merit VCO. It's one of my favorite coconut oils that I used to use before this. That's not gonna give you like a aromatherapy vibe because it just smells like coconut oil. It doesn't actually smell like anything. This has that like extra smell and you know that extra bougie vibe. But yeah, just go for that oil. It does the same thing. Another thing that I've been using that helps me go to sleep or just like calms my nerves, especially in the evening and night, is some Nyka's eucalyptus essential oil. So I'll just put this in my diffuser. I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY diffuser very soon in an upcoming video. But I use this like just like a couple of drops and it just makes my whole room smell like eucalyptus oil. So Nykaa has a few other oils as well, essential oils. Once I'm done with this, the whole thing, then I'll order another one. Great for like a at-home aromatherapy session. Oh, also sometimes my mom will just like come and keep kapoor in my room. You don't even need a diffuser for that. She'll just keep it in a katori out and my room smell. I personally like the smell of kapoor, which is why I think my room smells really nice. So if you don't have like an essential oil, you can do that. I feel like kapoor is something that happens to like be in every like Indian household. Now let's talk about a few important products that I feel like everyone should have, especially in the time that we're living in. The first one is this Savlon's Surface Disinfectant Spray. We use this to disinfect everything that's coming in our house except vegetables and things that you actually eat. So for example, अगर कोई chips का packet आ गया तो उसको बाहर से spray कर देंगे. कोई package आया उसको भी spray कर देंगे. We spray literally everything with this. In fact, we even spray all of our doorknobs, our switchboards, everything. Like everything that you are gonna touch again and again, like you're gonna come in contact with, we spray it with this disinfectant spray. This is available on Nykaa, so I'm gonna make sure to link it down below. But if you don't already have this, definitely get your hands on it. Now another disinfectant that we've been using is a vegetable wash. It's like a soap for vegetables. We've been actually using this for years, not this specific one, but we've been using like vegetable wash for years at this point. But especially now, I would highly recommend all of you guys to get your hands on this. I'm gonna make sure to link it down below. You just need to add it to water and just wash it with water, and it helps you disinfect your vegetables, fruits and all of that. I forgot to talk to you guys about this product, but it is so important. I feel like just wearing a mask isn't enough. It's really important to wear gloves as well, and this is the one that we've been using. These are reusable rubber gloves. You get a pack of 3, so it's great like if you have a couple of people in your home. Definitely get yourself some gloves if you don't already have any. So those are all the products. Now let's move on to some like random miscellaneous things that I've been loving. The first one is this pan by Miniso. It's a pink pan. So I got this a while ago actually. I think I showed you this pan in one of my Miniso hauls, like one of my first Miniso hauls that I did. And I just got it for like fun because it was pink and cute. But in lockdown, I've been cooking every single day. I'm on dinner duty. So I use this almost every day, and not only is it cute but it's functional. This is so good. The pan is non-stick and कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Like कितने का था? I think 600 रुपए का था, which is not bad for this super cute one. I remember they even had like a beautiful lavender and like a teal. I'm totally gonna go back and buy those colors as well because look at it, it's so cute and functional. Another pink item that I have, this is a 2-liter bottle. So again, if you've watched recent most videos of mine, you would know that I fill the whole thing up and try to consume the whole thing in a day. Otherwise, lockdown mein to I don't drink water. Like beach mein there were days where I would literally just drink like 1 glass of water in the whole day, which is so bad for you. So this is what has been helping me with my water intake, and I would highly recommend you guys to carry a water bottle around with you. It doesn't have to be this one, of course, but I will link this one as well in the description box below in case you want to buy it. Moving on to some comfy items. This blanket. Oh my god, this isn't just like a prop for the video, for the background. This blanket is everything. I've been cuddling in this blanket the whole of quarantine while I'm editing my videos or I don't watch movies. You get the point. Like I've been wrapped up in this the whole time. You're probably thinking it's so hot. How do you do that? I don't know. Like I have this habit wherein as I was saying, I have this habit wherein I like to be like wrapped up in something even if it's hot. So this is what I've been doing. I love it. Another super comfy product. Now these are PJ sets. The reason why they're like all like crumpled up is because I just wore them the other day and I like ran and got them out from the laundry just to show you guys. These are my favorite ones. These are from November Bond Designs. I own so many PJ sets from them, but this one has to be my favorite because it's so soft. It's like softer for some reason than all of the other PJ sets. I know it's really hot, but these are very breathable and don't make you feel like hot and sticky. Just like all of us, I've been living in PJs like day and night all the time, but I've been trying to do it kind of like in a fashionable way by wearing matching sets. And a lot of you guys ask me where my PJ sets are from. 99% of the time they are from November Bond Designs. I'm gonna link their page in the description box below. Now let's move on to snacks. I don't have that many like snack favorites only because itne zyada options available hi nahi hai. I've been like going on Amazon every day trying to find like something nice, but just nothing really comes up. But one thing that I have been loving is this. This is the Haldiram's aloo bhujia. Of course, I've had this बचपन में. वो छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स आते थे वो मैं खाती थी and it was so addictive even back then. But I didn't know they sell this huge ass packet, and this is gonna get over in like a week, which is not a good thing at all. I'm gonna try not to do that, but it's so good. So the other day Aditya and I were having a conversation about aloo bhujia ye wala, and we were talking about how we think there has to be something added in here. Like how is it so addictive? I feel like most people love this, and once you start eating it you can't stop. I don't know what it is about this. Don't quote me on that. It's just a thought. I'm not saying there's anything in here, but nonetheless it's so good. Oh, by the way, I got this from Amazon. Another thing that I did not like eat and consume as such before the quarantine, but I have been eating this almost every other day, is achar. This is the Praveen's mango pickle. So पहले मेरे पास छोटा सा bottle था, वो मैं randomly Big Bazaar से लेके आई थी, but that achar was so yum that I had to get this big one. By the way, if you're irresponsible, don't get this big वाला container, and for that matter ये वाला भी मत लेके आना क्योंकि ये तो सिल जाएगा और ये खराब हो जाएगा. और so much is happening in this video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this very like malfunctioned video, but I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.